How to move your USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance using your seed phrase. 1. Understand your wallet setup. You currently hold USDT TRC20 in your OKX wallet and have the seed phrase, also known as the recovery phrase. This means you control the private keys to your wallet, which gives you full ownership of the funds. To move your funds to Binance, you'll need access to a wallet interface or app that lets you send TRC20 tokens. This could be OKX itself, or a third-party wallet like TronLink or Token Pocket. Point 2. Never share your seed phrase before proceeding. It's crucial to understand that your seed phrase is the key to your funds. Never input it on unknown websites or share it with anyone. Use only official apps or websites to avoid phishing and scams. If someone gains access to your seed phrase, they can steal your funds in seconds. Point 3. Accessing your wallet via seed phrase. If you're not using the OKX app directly, you can import your wallet using the seed phrase into a trusted Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink. Download the TronLink app or browser extension, click Import Wallet, choose Mnemonic, and input your 12-word seed phrase: air, carpet, target, dish, off, jeans, toilet, sweet, piano, spoil, fruit, essay. Once done, you should see your USDT balance under the TRC20 section. Point 4. Locating the TRC20 USDT token. After importing, check that USDT TRC20 appears in your wallet. If it doesn't, manually add the token by searching for it in the token list or entering the contract address for TRC20 USDT. This step ensures your wallet interface recognizes and displays your funds. 5. Prepare your Binance wallet address. Open your Binance app or website, go to the Wallet section, and choose Deposit. Search for USDT, then select the Tron TRC20 network. Binance will give you a deposit address that looks like this. Text. Copy this address carefully. This is where you'll send your USDT. Point 6. Initiate the transfer from your wallet. Go back to your wallet, TronLink, OKX app, etc., and click on Send. Choose USDT TRC20 and paste your Binance TRC20 address as the recipient. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, then confirm. You will need to pay a small amount of TRX, Tron's native token, as gas fees. If you don't have any TRX, you must deposit some into your wallet before proceeding. Point 7. Acquire a small amount of TRX if needed. If you lack TRX for transaction fees, you can purchase a small amount from a crypto exchange like Binance and send it to your wallet address. Usually, 1 to 2 TRX is more than enough for a few transactions. Without TRX, your USDT cannot be moved on the Tron network. Point 8. Confirm the transaction on the blockchain. Once sent, you can track your transaction using a Tron blockchain explorer like tronscan.org. Paste your wallet address or transaction ID into the search bar to check the status. It usually takes a minute or two for TRC20 transactions to complete. Point 9. Check your Binance account. After a short while, your USDT should appear in your Binance wallet under Funding or Spot Wallet, depending on where you sent it. Binance will notify you once the deposit is confirmed. If it doesn't show up after 10 to 15 minutes, double-check that you used the correct TRC20 address and network. Point 10. Next steps after transfer. Once your funds are on Binance, you have various options. You can trade your USDT for other cryptos, use it to invest in Binance Earn for passive income, or withdraw it as fiat to your bank account using Binance P2P. Always secure your Binance account with two-factor authentication and strong passwords to keep your funds safe. If you found this video helpful, support us by hitting the subscribe button. It helps us grow and keeps us motivated to bring you more valuable content.